So we got this beautiful cinnamon stick color right here. That's the rare color on the road. This beauty is only 85 clicks on it. And this customer, they parked it, never driven in winter. It was inside for almost 2 years. They came it up. And we're going to do the mandatory all-wheel drive service on this one, transmission flush, and also the engine change. Everything with Mopar. So the engine oil is going to be done already. Transmission and the other ones, we're going to start it up. This customer, they came in from hour and a half. They came near to a Windsor place. They are our customer from almost 3 years. So a lot of people around the city, they are our customers, and they only believe in their OEM service. That's what we're going to give it to this one. If you guys do have the crazy Chargers GTs like this one, and you want your mandatory service only done by Mrik Auto, you can contact us. We're happy to help you out. Also, today we're going to do a 36-point inspection on this one, where we tell the customer the control arm on the front, the bushing starts falling apart, but it's not that bad. They can still drive it for another 40 clicks. And the brakes on this one is 10%. So any of the Charger, if you are just coming up 200 clicks, you need a brake change. That's what this customer got a warning on that thing. It's good for another 5 to 10,000, depending on you driving on highway or you driving on a city. But look at this color. I just love this color. And it's a sport package GT 3.6 liter V6. Commonly failure with a lot of things. When this car originally came to us today, there was no coolant in reservoir, and the customer, they drove it almost hour and a half with no coolant in it, but they was on highway. So we figured out there's nothing wrong happening right now. We're going to top it up the coolant and tell the customer to monitor if they got any spots on the driveway when they park it, and they're going to come back. So if you guys do have similar cars and you're facing any of the coolant loss in your reservoir, it's right on top. You don't have to search all the way to the bottom. Lift up your hood once a week or bi-weekly. You will find if there is anything wrong. Let us know. We're happy to help you out. On to the next car. All right, so we got another here, 2025 Toyota Cross. It's close to 50 clicks, and it's here for the 36-point inspection. Just to let all my customers know, whether you have a Toyota, a Honda, BMW, Mercedes, Audis, Volkswagens, anything, we do the same services like dealership, 36-point services. You can get every information about your car, current kilometers, and what the tires are, what the brakes are on your car, and what need to recommend to get changed before you break down on the road. So we want everybody to get safe. If you have any of the newer vehicles, like this is almost a year and a half old. So if you have anything close to 100 clicks, 50 clicks, 150 clicks, or 200 clicks, you can inquire for the 36-point inspection from us, and we'll let you know exactly what your car needs. That's what we're going to do with this one. So we did the inspection, everything was passed. So the only thing we changed on this was cabin filter, and we did one of the oil change on this one, and this customer got due on the brake fluid flush. That's what we did on this one. That's how you know, like when you have the certain kilometers, what exactly you need for yourself. So when they come to our shop, we recommend the recommendation service, what it needs on the specific kilometers. So if you guys do want any of the 36-point inspection, even if you're buying the car, we'll give you exact information what the current status on your car is. Any of the similar inspections, give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. On to the next car. Range Rover TD6 right here for the very 21st oil change on this one. We did the timing belt on this one a couple of months ago. This thing running rock solid. If you buy a diesel one, you know how to maintain it. You're gonna last probably 500 clicks. So this is already crossed 300 and pretty strong. I drove it. It drive like a new, like hell power of it. So if you guys do have any of the TD6 with the full size or the sports ones, any of the 3-liter Land Rover ones, we're happy to help you out. We have a bunch of inventory for the timing belts. Cross almost 200 clicks, your timing belt can broke anytime on the road. And once it's going to be broke, you need a new engine. There's no other exceptions. So all my diesel owners for 3-liter Range Rovers, that's a alert. If your Range Rover costs 200 clicks, you need a timing belt ASAP. And you know where to come? Mrik Auto. On to the next car. All right, so all the newer Toyota customers, if you bought the new car and you're looking for a 5 years of all fluids take care, it's a one-stop shop. We'll give you a package starting for 1,500, depend on what looking for another 5 years. So we do offer same thing like dealership, but it's in a cheaper price. So any of the Toyotas, if you have a RAV4, especially on the RAV4s, we're offering a complete fluid take care with 36 point of inspection for 5 years, straight 5 years, all exclusive. You can give us a call for the RAV4s, newer ones, or Toyota Camry like this. We got this 2024. It's XLE model here. This customer, they got the package. They came from Sarnia, and we are going to do the all brakes on this one and also the fluid services. That's an all-wheel drive, specifically for the customer having all-wheel Toyotas, newer ones. Our package is for 5 years, 3 years, depend on what you pick and what your make and models are. Any of the similar inquiries for the packages, give us a call. Happy to help you out. On to the next car. All right, so we still got a lot of inquiries about the Subarus, whether it's a good idea to make a rebuild, specifically on the BRZs. Just to let you know, that's a one-off hands-on rebuild by Mrik Auto in February this year. And this car is here for very first oil change. Absolutely no problem with the engine or any of the powertrain system. This customer is happy. They don't throw it. They make the decision to rebuild it because this model, you're not going to get it so easy. If you try to buy some from the used place or any of the aftermarket places, you will get the shit tuned out and the engine is not worth to buy it. Usually people put it for like, put on the sale for like 10 to 20 Ks. And that's something this customer did it last year. But the engine got weared out and they make a decision to give a rebuild. We rebuild the complete system from the top to bottom. Complete short block is new on this one. If you guys want the rebuilds on your Subarus, we have inventory for the short blocks and we're happy to help you out. We'll give 1 year of standard warranty and you still have the option to buy extended warranty on specifically rebuilds from Mrik Auto. It all depends how much you want to put in the car. And similar rebuilds, give us inquiries.